Today I'm making this easy high-protein egg muffins. They're perfect for breakfast, meal prep, or kids' lunch boxes. They are made with simple vegetables like onion, mushrooms, spinach, and bell peppers, and cottage cheese for extra protein. They're soft, flavorful, and really satisfying. I'm starting with onion, mushrooms, spinach, and bell peppers. After chopping everything, I heat a pan with a little oil and saute the onions until translucent. I added the mushrooms with salt and crushed pepper and cooked them well. This helps prevent the egg muffins from turning watery. Then I turned off the heat and added the bell pepper and spinach just to wilt, since I will continue cooking in the oven. Finally, I let the mixture cool down a bit before using it. I am using 10 eggs here. That makes about 12 muffins. I cracked them into a bowl, then added cottage cheese for extra protein along with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Once everything is added, I whisk it well until nicely combined. Then I mix in the sauté veggies we prepared earlier. After that, I added sun-dried tomatoes, chives, and cilantro, and finish with little lime juice. These are all optional, but they are really enhance the flavor, especially the lemon juice, which helps brighten everything and balance the richness of the eggs. Preheat your oven to 350°F. I'm using silicone liner to bake these egg muffins. I've tried regular cupcakes pan before and they tend to stick even with oil. Silicone liners works best and release easily. I will share the link below. Pour the mixture into a liner and bake for about 20 minutes or until the muffins are set. Once the egg muffins are done baking, let them cool for a few minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. They release cleanly from the silicone liner. You can see how soft and fluffy they are with a nice balance of vegetables in every bite. These egg muffins are great for breakfast, meal prep, or packing ahead for busy days. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try.